Hai, Assalamualaikum Syos. Good morning. Okay, so selamat tahun baru first and foremost. So our lesson this year are going to be online, at least sampai 1 hari bulan 3. So far yang kita tahu kan. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with all of you is kita akan buat recorded videos. Lepas tu kita akan gunakan recorded videos tu sebagai satu cara untuk teacher ajar korang secara, orang kata apa, secara maya. Kita akan gunakan buku teks, and I believe all of you have got these textbooks. Okay, kita dapat buku teks form 4. So we're gonna start learning using this textbook for this year. Okay, few times mungkin teacher akan selit-selit sedikit lesson daripada form 3 last year if necessary. So what I'm gonna ask for you to do is for you to just boleh download anytime, and you can just watch my videos if you want to gain more understanding of what we are learning. Okay, any questions korang boleh tanya kat dalam group. Jangan malu, so orang lain boleh tahu soalan tu dan boleh dapat jawapan yang sama, supaya teacher pun tak redundant to answer all of the same questions twice or triple times. Okay, so it save everyone's time. Okay, so for B, first and foremost, welcome to my class. And some of you might coming from last year. So siapa yang dah belajar dengan teacher last year, you know my ways. I'm fine with everything that we are going to learn. We're going to have fun as we can get online. But the thing is, please don't make me mad by not doing your homework. That's all, okay? And be respectful. Please watch whatever you are writing in your WhatsApp group. Don't write inappropriate things. Jangan tulis benda yang bukan-bukan, okay? And stay at home. PKP ni tolong jangan berayau. Jangan nak pergi rumah member, nak lepak-lepak bagai. Jaga SOP, jangan nak pegang-pegang member, nak tepuk-tepuk tampar. Take care of yourself. Okay. So, first and foremost, ini adalah buku teks you all, iaitu Full Blast. And I know you cannot see this sebab dia terbalik kan. But I believe most of you have got the textbooks. Siapa yang belum dapat textbook ni, mungkin akan datang ke sekolah nanti untuk ambil lagi lah. Betul tak? Alright. So what are we going to do is, I will just snap few pages of it untuk you all yang mungkin tak ada buku teks ni. So every lesson teacher akan snap and bagi dekat dalam group. Okay. So our first chapter is going to be Let's Chat, which begins from page 7. So dalam ni kita akan belajar banyak vocabulary, structures, functions, reading activities, listening, speaking, writing, and 21st century competency values yang korang boleh baca dekat glossary. Kat sini diam je. Okay, I hope my voice is clear, but if it's not and you have anything to ask, just ask me later. Okay. Okay, so we will begin at page 7. Let's chat. Okay, do you know what is let's chat? Let's chat is let's talk, ataupun jom kita berbual. Okay, I haven't talked to some of you during this PKP. Okay, some of you texted me asking how am I doing, so thank you. Okay, so let's chat. Okay, look at the first page. It says that discuss how do you usually communicate with your friends. What is the meaning of communicate? Please look this in dictionaries. Communication. Okay, and look at the pictures below. Which of the means of communication do you prefer using and why? So there are few things yang dibagi dekat situ. Telephone, okay, mobile phone, computer, webcam, and postcard. Do you even know what postcard is? Okay, so cari. Sebab selalunya budak-budak yang old school je, orang-orang old school je yang tahu apa itu postcard. You all tak tahu kan? So pergi Google and find out what is actually postcard. Seronok tahu hantar postcard ni actually. Okay, so dia ada bagi beberapa dekat situ. First thing first, send emails. And believe it or not, you have to learn how to write email. You are going to use it in your new format. Okay, macam mana format SPM yang terbaru, teacher akan explain later after we get on with these things. Okay, second thing, we are to make a phone call. Ada tak yang sekarang ni masih guna call line ataupun awak guna call WhatsApp? And I believe you like this VC. Send videos, pictures, or MMS. And I believe not many of you know what is MMS. MMS is multimedia text that they send. Instant messaging, during our days we call it IM, chat dekat internet, and have access to the internet. And the next one is send text message, SMS. Selalunya kita dapat SMS daripada siapa PKP ni? Kita dapat daripada MKN, betul tak? Majlis Kesihatan. Okay, that is one thing. So values that we are going to learn in this chapter is friendship. And you have to go through the module and find a boys' web page, advertisements, 2 emails, what teenagers think about social networking issues or sites, the conversation between teenagers and his dad. Okay. So what I want you all to do is, first thing first, our activity are going to be this one, to read. Seronok kan untuk membaca. Okay. So awak boleh tengok nanti ada 4 orang di situ yang sedang memberikan opinion. Opinion dia adalah dalam social networking sites. Okay. So there's some questions. Apa yang teacher nak awak buat adalah yang first thing first, awak kena discuss. Tapi tak boleh nak discuss, betul tak? So what you can do is, cuba buat activity A. What do you know about social networking sites? And I believe most of you mesti ada social networking sites. Facebook, IG, Instagram, and you have Snapchat. Snapchat ni lebih kepada gambar, right? But I know you text people with them too. So you can use that as your own experience with sites. And are you a member of a social networking sites? And if you are, list down. And what do you use it for? Maybe for communication, to catch up with your old friends, or to share advertisements about your business. Sometimes we do business online, betul tak, online. So you can also write that. Okay, B. Read the text A to D. What is each person's opinion about social networking sites? Maksudnya, apakah pendapat mereka ini tentang social networking? Whether it is positive or negative or both. Okay. So you can just think if you agree with them or you disagree with them, or both. So don't panic if you've got unknown vocabulary. Try to research them in your dictionaries. The meaning of the words given. So decide which words are important for understanding the text and try to guess what their meaning. Okay, sekarang ni teacher nak awak gunakan 3 benda, iaitu kataforik, anaforik dan center. Kataforik dan anaforik adalah cara kita meneka sesuatu perkataan, and I believe I have explained this in your class last year. Cara kita meneka perkataan itu maksudnya berdasarkan permulaan ayat, pengakhiran ayat dan juga pertengahan. The whole sentence is also counted as the way of you searching for meaning. Okay. So dekat sini ada Alicia, Adrian, Ryan dengan Emma. So awak boleh baca opinion diorang, and you can some of the words are highlighted. Yang warna kuning-kuning ni, so highlighted words ni awak boleh cari dekat dictionary. Okay, apa maksud dia? And it's just easy words, but I guess you all can just find it. Okay, so lepas tu awak boleh buat activity C, activity D, activity E. Awak tak perlu discuss, just jawab soalan tu. Okay. And grammar ni awak boleh tinggalkan, because these are going to be our next lesson. Okay. So read first, and I will just make another videos on grammar. Grammar ni kita akan sambung semula present simple and present continuous. Last year kita dah buat present and past tense, betul? So kita akan sambung sahaja lagi. Okay. And if you ask me apa buku yang kita nak pakai, kita akan pakai satu buku sahaja, iaitu buku panjang. Buku panjang yang macam biasa awak pakai tu. Kita tak contoh kat sini, but I guess wait. Yes, awak boleh guna buku panjang macam ni, ataupun awak boleh beli sahaja buku di luar, tak ada masalah. I'm not cerewet, I'm not fussy of that. So boleh beli buku panjang ni, janji saiz dia macam ni, untuk awak guna. Awak ada masa yang lebih extra, awak boleh juga buka muka surat 10, okay? Page 10, you can read first. So that is all for our lesson today. Teacher tak nak buat panjang-panjang, 10 to 11 minutes ni sahaja. But I need you to try do. And teacher bagi awak masa untuk buat ni. Boleh tak? Okay. Try to do it within today and tomorrow. So, please hantar dalam minggu ini juga sebelum hari Jumaat. Sebab kita ada satu kelas je minggu ni. So, hari Jumaat tu adalah deadline. Tolong hantar. Okay, teacher akan buat checklist siapa. So, have a good day. Study properly and take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum. Bye.